Let me ask you something. Two developers have the same coding skills, same project, same kind of experience as well. Then why does one get promoted faster, one will lead the team and earn more as well? Because success in tech is not just about the code, it's about soft skills. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that can completely change your tech career. Soft skills that take you beyond coding. If you want growth, leadership and real career breakthroughs, this video is for you. First and most important is communication. We always think that communication is about speaking, but real communication starts with listening. And there is a big difference between listening and active listening. Listening is just hearing the words. But when it comes to active listening is understanding the person behind those words. And most of us listen to reply, not to understand. Active listening means you don't interrupt the second person while speaking. You don't assume things by yourself and you ask clarifying questions to the next person and you try to understand the real problem. Now coming to speaking, you may write perfect code, but if you can't explain your logic, your design, your issues, your ideas, your impact will always stay limited. A great developer is not just a great coder, they are a great explainer as well. They communicate clearly with the teammates, managers, clients, and non-technical people working for the organization. The most common mistake that we make is we explain things too technically. And while giving the explanation, we use some complex terms, we use some deep technical language, but the client doesn't understand those technical language. And when people don't understand, they don't trust. Your job is not to sound smart, your job is to be understood. Instead of saying this issue is due to backend API latency caused by inefficient query optimization, so instead of this you can say the system is slow because it's taking too much time to fetch data and we are fixing that. Simple, clear and powerful. Another big reason why we fail in communication is fear of judgment. We think that what if they judge me? What if I sound stupid? What if I say something wrong? So we hide behind technical words, but clarity is confidence over here. So just remember this simple rule. If you can explain complex things in simple words, you become powerful. Because then you build that trust, you will show your leadership quality, you will stand out and you will grow faster in your career. So always remember this, communication is not a soft skill, it is a career skill. Always be confident and don't be afraid of judgment. Your goal is not to impress people with big technical words. Your goal is to help them understand. Always use simple language even when you're talking about technical things. Because clarity builds trust, confidence builds leadership, and simplicity makes you powerful. Next is your problem solving mindset. Companies don't want the people who can write the code. They want people who say something like this, I will find a solution for this problem, and not the people who will say it's not my responsibility. So whenever the bugs will appear, the deadlines will hit, the system will fail, the pressure will rise, your calmness and the solution focused mindset is what makes you truly valuable. Now the question over here is, how do you develop this mindset? So you can develop this mindset by pushing yourself into challenging situation. So don't always choose the safe task. Don't wait for perfect confidence. Don't be afraid to take new roles or new responsibility. So always say yes to difficult problems, unfamiliar technologies, ownership of the task, and the situation that will make you feel uncomfortable. Because every challenge you take today makes you stronger for tomorrow. The more you dive into tough situations, the better you handle them next time. At first, you may feel scared, you may feel confused, you may feel slow, but that's the growth. Problem solvers are not born, they are built through challenges, mistakes, and learning. So remember, growth always happens outside your comfort zone. Tech is never a solo journey. You don't work alone. You need to work with testers, designers, product managers, DevOps engineers, stakeholders. Everyone brings a different perspective, and that's what makes a product strong. Teamwork is a superpower. Always be respectful regardless of the designation. So whether someone is an intern or senior leader, every voice should matter. So be open to new ideas, even if they challenge your thinking, even if they come from someone junior to you. Because good ideas don't come from titles, they come from minds. And always remember this thing, great products are built by great teams, not by great individual alone. Now let's talk about the most important parameter, time management and discipline. Talent without discipline is wasted potential. You may be very skilled, but if you miss your deadlines, you will keep on delaying your work or stay inconsistent, your talent will never ever shine. Time management is not being busy, it's about being effective as well. It shows that whether you can plan your task properly, you can set the clear priorities, you can finish whatever work that you have started, showing up on time, being dependable. When people know that they can rely on you, they trust you. And in the professional world, trust is everything. The trust will bring bigger responsibilities, better project, leadership roles, and faster growth. Discipline turns ability into achievement. Consistency will turn your efforts into success. And always remember this thing, your habit will decide your future, not just your talent. Let's talk about the confidence and ownership. So always take the ownership of your work. When you truly own something, you don't just finish the task, you need to take the responsibility for whatever outcome that will come from that task that you have finished. So you can't say something like this, someone else handled that project, someone else handled that work, I am not responsible for this issue. And you have to say something like this is my responsibility and I will make it right. So speak with confidence, express your ideas clearly, and stand by your decision always. Not with arrogance, but with strong belief in your skills, preparation, and effort. Confidence always shows that you trust your own abilities or not. You know how to accept your own mistakes and how to fix them as well, and how to stay calm under pressure. When you show ownership, people will trust you. When you show confidence, people will believe in you. Ownership makes you dependable and confidence makes you impactful. And together, they don't just make you good at your job, they make you a good team leader as well. Coding may get you the job, but soft skills decide how far you will go. They bring you the growth, confidence, respect, influence, and leadership. If you want a great career in tech, so start upgrading your communication skills, your mindset, your learning attitude, and your professionalism as well. Because your skills will build your career, but your behavior will build your reputation. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Techie Talk with Aditya.